Kaya. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome, 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 and welcome. And thank you to all my new subscribers. I do hope you guys are interested in this video, or just watch the whole video through. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys this video is all over the place, legit all over the place, but you still get, I feel like, everything you need out of this video. I think you get everything out of it. So just continue to watch, guys. Just continue to watch. Oh, and make sure you subscribe. If you guys are liking my makeup today, it's kind of light, something light, and a matte, semi-matte lip, soft matte lip. This is not me. But if you guys like it, let me know because I can do a video on it as well. Okay, so right here, I'm just showing you guys what the packaging look like once you get it and once you open it. This is the closure that comes in it. It's a free part closure. And then I'm just showing you the bundles. It comes with 3 bundles. You also get the length, of course, 2018-16. So, yeah, I just want to show you guys what it looks like when it comes out of the packaging. All right, so now I'm just giving you like a little bit of clips of me making the wig. It's not really detailed, okay? So don't follow this. Don't try and follow it. I just want you to be able to see how I constructed the wig so you can see how it's made. Like, I just threw in little clips, you guys. It's nothing major. I started with the longer length, of course, in the back, and then as I work it up to the front, I go ahead and add the shorter ones. And then before I started adding that longer bundle in the back, the first thing I did was make sure I sewed down the closure. So you want to make sure you get that on first because you don't want to try to do that last. That's like one thing you should know. Don't do that last because it's just going to be really hard to make sure it's placed where you want to. You want to build around that closure or frontal. But yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to tell you on that part. Ignore the cap, guys, but here is the wig. Finally, everything is done. Y'all, I've been working on this wig for about, I don't even know how long. It's been a good week or so. It's just busy, so I couldn't like get the wig done as quick as I wanted to. But the wig, we have the lace front and then the 3 bundles. I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. I am not a wig pro maker, so don't judge what I have done. I feel like for me to be a beginner, and this probably like my 3rd or 4th time, I definitely feel like this is one of the best wigs I've made, so just bear with me, guys. That's hot. Sleeves flat. I'm gonna add Alright guys, so this is the completed look of the wig that I created. I did not do a detailed wig making video only because of me not being a pro with making wigs. I just don't necessarily feel like that's something that I want to put out there yet for you guys to be watching and learning from, because my technique is all over the place. Once I get a technique down packed, I will definitely do a detailed video on how to make a wig. But I just want to make this video specifically on the quality of this hair from Unice hair. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys the link of where I got it from because I got it from Amazon. One second. So the hair is really nice quality hair. When I was going through it, combing it, straightening it, curling it, bleaching the knots, all that good stuff. I promise you I had no hair loss. This hair did not shed whatsoever, so I definitely think that is a good quality of the hair. It's just really good hair. It's really good hair to deal with. Yes, Mom.
You at home?
I am.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. I definitely think that is a good quality to have in here, you guys. You just want to make sure that when you spend a good amount of money on bundles, you don't want to be having a whole bunch of shedding going on. And y'all know shedding is like my biggest pet peeve. So for this not to have that, I'm here for it. I also don't have much practice with lace fronts, surprisingly, like just single lace fronts, but I think I did a pretty good job with this for this to be like literally legit beginner made wig. I think I did a pretty good job. If you guys think I did a good job, leave me a thumbs up and comment below and tell me how you think I did from this wig, you guys. So I have in a, I just forgot to pull up the actual link. Go to my purchases. I did get this from Amazon. Let's see. So this is the Unice 8A grade hair. It's loose wave. I'm sorry, this is the Brazilian loose wave hair. I did definitely comb out those curls because, as you saw before, it was very curly. I combed them out and straightened them out with a straightening iron, and then I added my own defined curls because I like this type of curl pattern a lot better. So this is the Unice Hair 8A Brazilian Loose Wave 4x4 free part lace closure. This free part, by the way. I did bleach the knots and I did pluck the front of it just so it wouldn't be super duper full on the front of my head. I got 3 bundles and then the closure. So it's a 14-inch closure with 16, 18, and 20 bundle. Okay, so this is 20 inches long and it is nice and full and voluptuous, and it just is doing it for me. I'm just really proud of myself with how this wig came out, and I'm also proud at how good quality this hair is. So I do want to say thank you to Unice for actually sending me the hair, and also make sure you check out my description box below so you can get the bundles if you're interested in it. Make sure you check out that description box below. Okay, I don't know, like I really like this wig, but I'm thinking about selling it or maybe doing a giveaway just because I like how it came out. I don't know, we'll see. Stay tuned. I'll be announcing that on my channel if I do decide to do so. But this was $140 for the closure and the 3 bundles. I think that's a really good deal when you get human hair and you can do legit whatever to it. Like I can straighten this, curl it, make it in any style I want to basically. So I think that's a really good quality in the hair. So definitely check that out, guys. I know I'm horrible at like explaining. This video is probably like all over the place just to let you know, but okay. But yeah, that's it. Thanks guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a thumbs up and comment below something so we can have a conversation. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.